as I was saying, camera system. How am I going to install that? Maybe up in this corner? Well, let's get on that and figure it out. I can attach more than one camera to this. Yeah, I can attach up to 3 cameras for this. That's cool. Guessing this would be the perfect place for mounting the camera here. Although I'm not sure, maybe up on that back glass, if that would be a better spot. But well, I'll have to look at the views before I mount it permanently, but I'm thinking right there would be a good spot for it. Hey, that could actually work there. And it would be out of the way. Hey, I actually like that. And this has 3M adhesive on it, and I've got a good solid piece of metal there, so I don't even have to drill holes. Hey, yep. It'll be in the way over here from getting in. Okay, I think that's where it's going. Okay, I have the wires run under the cab of this skid steer. Now, I guess in some situations you need it, but I've got 65 feet of wire running to the camera. So that is what is included in this bundle, is 65 feet. Luckily, I have enough room up here to bundle all that together and leave it up there, because I only needed about 10 to 12 feet, and I don't have the skill set to cut the connection here and redo it to get rid of all of that wire. So I've got that all bundled up there. I've got it run across here into the fuse box over here. So here is the fuse box here under the seat. So I've got it connected there. I've got power. When we turn the switch on, it will be hot. There was a hole right here under the seat that I was able to run the power cord through this hole here. I pulled this cover off here, thinking I would run that wire up through here. I could not find a good hot wire or ground in here, but I had enough wire. So I've got my main cord running up here, and you probably can't see it, but it's right here. Monitor will go here, and I was able to run the wire back to the camera, back through here. Over top of the fuel tank, around the corner here, right here where the door opens, follow the light wiring, and I've got my plug here. So all I've got to do is get a hole through here and mount that camera on the back. So yeah, I think I will mount the camera right on there. So I'll have to I guess drill a hole through here to get the wire through, and then I can, what is that, plastic? I was thinking yeah, that's fiberglass. That won't be a problem drilling a hole through. What was on the other side? Ooh, fiberglass as well. Ooh. I may have to put some kind of backing plate behind there for that camera to sit on, in case something hits that camera, it doesn't break that fiberglass up. That's steel there. I mean, it'll be okay, but it's just if something hits that camera, it's going to break that fiberglass. Okay, so the wiring is complete. I believe I can put the cab back down, and then it's just a matter of mounting the monitor and mounting the camera, and it should be good. But it is getting late, so it's probably getting close to my supper time here. Yeah, 20 after 5. I don't think I'm going to finish this up this evening. Voila! And there you go. So I don't have a channel 2 or channel 1. I've got this hooked up to channel 3. And it is working. Now I don't have the camera mounted. I just wanted to see what kind of view before I mounted the camera. So this is working. I've got it mounted up there. Okay. I thought I had hit a circuit that was only powered when I turned the machine on. Apparently that's not the case. It's powered all the time, so I think I'll go back and try to find a circuit that only comes on when I turn the machine on. Because if I forget to turn this sucker off, it could drain my battery. Alright, so just to get an idea of what the view was, I just put a zip tie. Well, I really didn't need the zip tie, but just to put it up there and give it a try and see what we've got. So I'll come in tomorrow and mount it on the back of that plate there. Okay, it's almost 6 o'clock, so it's supper time. I'm gonna say, see ya! See ya!